This free TradingView buy-sell indicator will help you find accurate entry points. Hello everyone, welcome to the Forex Strategy Explorer channel. In this video, we will discuss the breakout trading strategy using the best free breakout trading indicator on TradingView. By using this strategy, you'll be able to see fast and accurate signals, without worrying about missing the opportunity to place an order in the market. We will demonstrate how to use this breakout trading strategy for Forex trading. However, besides being suitable for Forex, this strategy is also quite flexible and can be applied to various assets such as gold or XAU/USD, crypto, stocks, and other assets. We won't make this video too long, so make sure to watch this video until the end. And don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to this channel. Let's get started. To use this breakout trading strategy, you can start by logging into TradingView. Next, right-click on an empty tab and then select the Settings tab. After that, enable the checkmark for session breaks. These session breaks will mark the market opening. We will use these as the start time for monitoring and the end time to close orders. Now, go to the Indicators Search tab. In the Indicators Search tab, type Opening Range Breakout Lines. Then, select Opening Range Breakout Lines by Treckothasks. Make a few adjustments to the Opening Range Breakout Lines indicator. In the Style tab, uncheck the options for Session Open Price, Sell Arrow, and Buy Arrow. Once done, click OK to confirm the changes. We will use this indicator to identify breakouts in the market. As you can see, when the market opens, the indicator will display two lines, a buy line and a sell line. If the price candlestick breaks above the buy line, the indicator will generate a buy signal. On the other hand, if the price candlestick breaks below the sell line, the indicator will generate a sell signal. If you want to use this trading strategy, you are limited to placing only one order per day. If on the same day, your order hits either the stop loss or take profit, we recommend not placing any new orders for the rest of the day. If the order does not hit the stop loss or take profit, you can forcibly close the order at the latest by the time the market closes. Now, add the second indicator that will be used as a signal filter. Go to the Input tab and type Option Series, Supertrend, Halftrend, Ichimoku. Then, select Option Series, Supertrend, Halftrend, Ichimoku by Option Series. Next, make some adjustments to the Option Series indicator. In the Input tab, uncheck the boxes for Overlay MA20 and VWAP. Once done, simply click OK to confirm the changes. The Option Series indicator will be used to filter market signals. If all boxes on the Option Series indicator are green, it confirms a bullish trend. If all boxes are red, it confirms a bearish trend. However, if any box shows a different color, we recommend not placing any orders in the market. Example, as shown in this visual, when the Opening Range Breakout Line indicator gives a sell signal, and as you can see, the Option Series indicator does not provide any confirmation. In this situation, you should avoid placing any orders in the market. To make it clearer, let's discuss how to place buy and sell orders using this breakout trading strategy. How to place a buy order. After the market opens, wait for the price candlestick movement. If the candlestick breaks out above the buy line, a buy signal will appear. However, you must validate the signal before placing a buy order. Ensure the Option Series indicator also confirms a bullish trend. Confirm that the candlestick formed is a green candlestick. If all these conditions are met, you can place a buy order after the candlestick has closed. Place the stop loss slightly below the sell line. Use a take profit target with a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell order. After the market opens, wait for the price candlestick movement. If the candlestick breaks out below the sell line, a sell signal will appear. However, you must validate the signal before placing a sell order. Ensure the option series indicator also confirms a bearish trend. Confirm that the candlestick formed is a red candlestick. If all these conditions are met, you can place a sell order after the candlestick has closed. Place the stop loss slightly above the buy line. Use a take profit target with a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell order. After the market opens, wait for the price candlestick movement. If the candlestick breaks out below the sell line, a sell signal will appear. However, you must validate the signal before placing a sell order. Ensure the option series indicator also confirms a bearish trend. Confirm that the candlestick formed is a red candlestick. If all these conditions are met, you can place a sell order after the candlestick has closed. Place the stop loss slightly above the buy line. Use a take profit target with a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Always maintain your money management and trading psychology. Click like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. That's all, and see you in the next video.